Meaning of griping.
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 Griping. Griping is a verb that means to complain or grumble about something in a persistently annoying way. This behavior is often seen as negative because it can bring down the mood of those around the person who is griping and can also be perceived as unproductive or unhelpful when trying to find solutions to problems. While it is important for individuals to express their concerns and opinions, it is also important to do so in a respectful and constructive manner. Therefore, it is recommended to try and avoid excessive griping.